Alright, so, you want to grow your YouTube channel and start making money online, eh? Well, my friend, buckle up because today we're diving into the secrets of YouTube success. From getting your first 1,000 subscribers to avoiding common mistakes, I've got you covered. And no, it's not about going viral overnight or bribing your grandma to watch your videos on repeat. Let's get started. First things first, what does it actually take to get monetized? YouTube has some rules, and unfortunately it's not as easy as posting one video and expecting instant fame. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. Sounds like a lot? Well, it is. But don't freak out yet. We'll get there. Alright, let's address the big elephant in the room. Why do so many YouTube channels fail? The answer? People give up too easily. They post 5 videos, get 12 views, most of which are from their own refreshes, and then rage quit. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. You have to keep creating even when it feels like you're talking to a wall. And trust me, that wall will eventually start talking back in the form of an audience. Now let's talk about finding your niche. This is where a lot of people mess up. They see a random dude making millions by reacting to cat videos and think, I'll do that too. But here's the catch. You gotta do what interests you. If you force yourself to follow trends you don't care about, your content will be about as exciting as watching paint dry. Some great niche ideas, podcasts, gaming, fitness, meditation, cooking, music, vlogs, visual effects, you name it. Find something you're actually good at and make it your own. Want to know a secret? Smart creators research before they create. See what's working for other channels in your niche. What are they doing differently? What's getting views? More importantly, what's flopping? Don't just copy. Innovate. If everyone's making the same 10 tips for success video, make yours stand out. Maybe 10 tips for failing spectacularly and how to avoid it. Here's something most beginners overlook: playlists. If your channel covers multiple topics, organize them. A musician won't care about your how to bake a cake video, and someone looking for relaxation music doesn't want to see your pranking my neighbor video, unless the prank is really good. Playlists keep viewers engaged and help your channel grow faster. Ever heard the phrase, don't judge a book by its cover? Well, YouTube doesn't follow that rule. Your title, thumbnail, and tags are what make people click. If your title is, my first video, congrats, no one's watching. Instead, make it compelling. How I gained 1,000 subscribers in a month? The truth. See the difference? Also, don't forget hashtags and name your video file properly before uploading. YouTube's algorithm loves that stuff. Lastly, the golden rule, don't give up. Your first 10 videos might flop, your next 20 might still flop, but around video 50, you'll start seeing progress. Experiment, try different types of content. If A isn't working, move to B. By the time you hit it, you'll be way better than when you started. And remember, sometimes you gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet. Just don't throw the whole kitchen out the window in frustration. Alright, now you've got everything you need to start growing your channel and making money online. But here's the thing, knowing is half the battle. Doing is the other half. So stop overthinking and start uploading. Oh, and before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped. Now go make some YouTube magic happen. This is just some basic information that you need to understand before you start creating your content. I will teach how I did mine in the next video, how I went from 5,000 subscribers in such a short time. Subscribe now so you won't miss it when the new video comes out. Thanks for watching. Hope you never quit your journey.